Hi, okay, we're going to go over E traditional. First finger, point the finger on first fret G string. Middle finger, second fret A string. Ring finger, second fret D string. And give it a strum. When you're strumming down, hold your pick in an up slant. If you're strumming up, put your pick in a down slant. Down slant, up slant, down slant. Strumming up, down slant. Strumming down, up slant. Okay, again, here's your fingering. First finger goes on first fret of the G string. Your middle finger goes on the second fret of the A string, and your ring finger goes on the second fret of the D string. And feel free to strum all 6 strings.